Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to shin t, because if I put this one going here, shin t square plus 1, we got about cos t square. Later that we simplify the square root. ds we have cos t dt. After we do first the derivative of this one. So I will put this one go in here. And I will put this one go in here. The s we change by this one. So we have the formula in here. Cos t square minus sin t square equals to number 1. So we know that we have sin t square plus 1, so we put this one go in here. That's why you got about cos t square. The square root of cos t square, you got about cos t. Now we can use about integration by pass. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if I do first the derivative for the both side, and you got about du equals to sin t plus cos t. First the derivative of sin t, you got about cos t. First the derivative of cos t, you got about sin t. And we have dt in here. We know that this one divided by this one, so you got about number 1. Now we have dv equals to cos t dt. The integration of this one, we have v equals to sin t. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have sin t multiplied by this one. Minus, we have du multiplied by v. So we have the integration. And that should be about sin t dt. The integration of this one, you got about cos t, and we put about c. About t, that's about this one. So we can find the value of t equal to arcsin of s. So I will put this one to change for t. We know that sin with arcsin, you got about s. Similar for this one. And this is the final answer in here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.